Have you ever replayed a conversation in your mind, again and again, wondering if you said the wrong thing, or stayed up at night imagining all the worst-case scenarios that might happen tomorrow? That's overthinking. And while it feels like we're solving problems, in reality, our brain is just stuck in a loop. Let's understand why our mind won't stop thinking, and how to gently take back control. Overthinking is when your thoughts become repetitive, unproductive, and emotionally exhausting. Psychologists call this rumination. It's the mind's way of trying to gain control by replaying the past or predicting the future, even when neither is in your control. Our brain is wired for survival, not peace. It constantly scans for danger, replaying events to prevent future mistakes. The prefrontal cortex, the thinking part of our brain, tries to predict outcomes. Meanwhile, the amygdala, the fear center, amplifies every worry. Together, they create a storm of what-ifs. Overthinking gives us the illusion that we're taking control. We believe, if I just think harder, I'll find the perfect answer. But in truth, we're only fueling anxiety, because thinking and worrying are not the same. Over time, this mental overactivity drains your energy and confidence. It keeps you trapped in the past or fearful of the future, never truly present. Studies show overthinking increases cortisol, the stress hormone, which affects sleep, focus, and even digestion. The first step to stop overthinking is awareness. Notice your mind wandering. Ask yourself, is this thought helping me or just repeating? Once you recognize the loop, you can interrupt it with action, even a small one, like standing up or writing it down. When your mind spirals, don't fight the thoughts. Redirect them. Take one small action. Write, move, breathe, or talk it out. The brain can't stay anxious and active in the present moment at the same time. So, anchor yourself in now. Overthinking is not a flaw. It's a sign your mind is trying to protect you. The goal isn't to silence your thoughts, but to guide them. Remember, peace doesn't come from having no thoughts. It comes from not believing every thought you have. If this helped you understand your mind a little better, share it with someone who needs calm today. And please like, comment, and subscribe for more stories about how we think, feel, and grow, one insight at a time.